remote control hot air balloon. That is pretty friggin' sweet. Yes, that is a remote control hot air balloon. You notice there's nobody in the balloon. That is because he's holding the remote to it. That is doing that. How's that? Pretty sweet. That's pretty awesome. So later on they're going to have a car cruise, which I will take pictures and video of. And then they're going to have the RC planes, which I'm definitely going to be taking video of, pictures. The hot air balloons probably won't come back till later tonight. See, he has a remote control in his hand. I'll zoom in. Really can't see because he's turning his back, but there you go. You can see it. At the 3-minute mark, I'll stop. I think 3 minutes of hot air balloon via remote control is enough. Next time I video, it'll probably be the RC cars or the classic car show, one or the other. It'll be something. Bye for now.